Hey everyone! I have some exciting news to share with you today. Party Popper. I'm thrilled to announce a $50 giveaway to 50 lucky subscribers on my channel. But there's a catch. This will happen only when we reach 1,000 subscribers. And that's not all. I have some massive special gifts lined up for a few select subscribers, which I'll reveal once we hit the 1K milestone. Rocket. To participate and stand a chance to win, all you need to do are these 3 simple steps. 1. Subscribe to the channel. 2. Like every video. 3. Comment below why you need $50 and why it's important to you. Winners will be chosen based on engagement, so make sure to like, comment, and stay active. Good luck, and let's reach 1,000 subscribers together. Raising hands. Let's start today's topic. How to get the Goats Airdrop. Participating in the Goats Airdrop is straightforward, but users must meet specific criteria. The airdrop allows early adopters to claim free Goats tokens before the official Goats Airdrop listing date, providing an opportunity to gain exposure to the project without direct investment. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to claim the Goats Airdrop. Join the Goats Telegram channel. The first step is to join the official Goats Telegram channel, which keeps users updated on important developments, including the airdrop and Goats Airdrop claim procedures. Interact with the Goats Telegram mini-app. Once in the channel, users will be prompted to interact with the mini-app, which might involve performing simple tasks such as sharing content, referring friends, or staking other cryptos within the app. Meet eligibility requirements. To qualify for the airdrop, users may need to hold a certain amount of qualifying tokens or complete specific tasks outlined by the Goats team. These tasks could range from using the app's features to sharing promotional content on social media. Snapshot and distribution. After the snapshot of eligible wallets is taken, qualifying users will automatically receive the airdrop tokens. These tokens will be distributed on the Goats Airdrop new date, which is expected to coincide with the Telegram Goats listing date. Read more. Top tap to earn crypto games. When is the Goats Airdrop and token listing? The Goats token is set to make its debut on major exchanges, with the Goats Airdrop listing date set for late October 2024. This date will mark the official launch of the token, enabling users to trade it on leading crypto platforms. It's essential to stay updated through the official Goats Telegram channel to ensure you don't miss out on any updates or changes regarding the airdrop and listing date. The anticipation around the Telegram Goats listing date stems from the project's innovative use of Telegram as a decentralized platform and the potential value that early adopters could derive from holding the Goats token. As the Goats Airdrop new date approaches, excitement within the community continues to build.